And this holiday season, we're reinventing the perfect gift with the all these TV shows, songs, and
Viva la Juicy, a fragrance.